Dear students, in the previous lessons you have learnt how to make the sentences like Haza waladun, this is a boy. Haza waladun, this is a boy. Hazihi sayyaratun, this is a car. Hazihi sayyaratun, this is a car. Al-qalamu jadidun, the pen is new. Al-qalamu jadidun, the pen is new. As-sayyaratu jadidah, the car is new. As-sayyaratu jadidah, the car is new. Huwa muhandisun, he is an engineer. Huwa muhandisun, he is an engineer. Hiya mudarrisatun, she is a teacher. Hiya mudarrisatun, she is a teacher. You are also able to make the sentences having sifa and mausuf. Sifa is called adjective, mausuf is noun qualified. For example, you can make the sentences like Haza waladun zakiyun, this is an intelligent boy. Haza waladun zakiyun, this is an intelligent boy. Hazihi bintun zakiyah, this is an intelligent girl. Hazihi bintun zakiyah, this is an intelligent girl. We also expect from you that you must be knowing how to form the sentences like Hadha kitabu Khalidin, this is Khalid's book. Hadha kitabu Khalidin, this is Khalid's book. Kitabu Khalidin jadid, Kitabu Khalidin jadid, Khalid's book is new. Kitabu Khalidin jadid, Khalid's book is new. Dear student, in your daily life you say so many things which happened either in the past or it is going on or it will happen in the future. You frequently make the English sentences like Khalid came, he went out, you entered, she sat, I returned, the child played, he got tired. In all these sentences, we can see that the action took place in the past, which is called al-fi'lul madi in Arabic. Al-fi'l, verb. Al-mazi, past or perfect. Al-madi, past or perfect. Al-fi'lul madi, past verb. Now we start with the simple past tense. Jalasa, Jim, Lam, Sin. Jalasa. Jalasa means he sat. jalasa, he sat. Now we use for female, she sat. Jalasat, she sat. Jalasat, she sat. Jalasat, you sat. You sat. Jalasta, you sat. Jalasta, you sat. Jalasta. You here for masculine singular. Jalasta. You here for masculine and singular. Jalasta. You for feminine singular. We use for feminine singular, we use jalasti. Jalasti. For I, we use jalastu. Jalastu. The Arabic past tense jalastu is for I sat. I sat. Common for masculine and feminine both. Now try to use these forms with the verb zahaba. Zahaba means in English he went. Zahaba, he went. Zahaba, zal, ha, ba. Zal, ha and ba. Zahaba means he went. He went. Zahaba. Now we use this verb for female. She went. She went. Zahabat. Zahabat. She went. Zahabat. Zal, ha, ba with suffix of ta. Zahabat. She went. Now zahabta. Zahabta. Zal, ha, ba and ta with fatha. Zahabta, you went. You is for masculine and singular. You for masculine and singular we use zahabta. Zahabta. If we use this form with you feminine singular, we say zahabti. 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 Please notice the minute difference between you masculine and you feminine. In you masculine, we say zahabta. Zahabta. And for feminine, we say zahabti. Zahabti. Now zahabto, I went. Zahabto, I went. I is common between masculine and feminine. Zahabtu, I is common between masculine and feminine. Zahabtu. Now try to use these forms with the verb saqata. Saqata. Sin, qaf, ta. Saqata. Saqata means he fell down. He fell down. Saqata. If we want to use this verb for female, we say saqatat. Saqatat. means she fell down. She fell down. He fell down. Saqata. She fell down. Saqatat. Now you fell down. And as I told you that you, for masculine and singular, we use ta as suffix. We say saqatta, saqatta, you fell down. Here you means masculine and singular, saqatta. If we want to use for female, we say saqatti. Saqatti means you fell down, you female and singular. Saqatti. Now I fell down. Saqatto. Saqatto. Here, as I told you that I is common for masculine and feminine. We say saqattu. Here we use ta as suffix also, but that is tu. Saqattu, I fell down. Now try to use these forms with the verb raja'a. 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 Ra, Jim, Ain. Ra, Jim, Ain. Raja'a means he returned. Raja'a means he returned. If we want to say for female, we say raja'at. Raja'at, she returned. Raja'at, she returned with the suffix of ta. Raja'at, she returned. Now for masculine singular, you returned. Raja'ata, you returned. Raja'ata. Here you is used for masculine and singular. You returned. Raja'ata. Raja'ata. If we want to use this form with you feminine and singular, we say raja'ati. Raja'ati, you female returned. You female returned. Raja'ati. Raja'ati, I returned. I returned. Raja'atu. Raja'atu, I returned. Raja'atu, I is for masculine and feminine. Raja'atu, this is common between, I is common between masculine and feminine. We say raja'atu. Now try to use these forms with the verb la'iba. La'iba. Lam, ain, ba. La'iba. Lam, ain, ba. La'iba. La'iba means he played. He played. La'iba, he played. And if we want to use for female, we say she played. We say la'ibat. La'ibat, she played. La'iba, he played. La'ibat, she played. Now la'ibta. La'ibta. Now you can easily recognize that ta is here For masculine, you and singular. You masculine and singular, you say la'ibta, you played. La'ibta means you male played. La'ibta. And if there is female, you say la'ibti. La'ibti. La'ibti, you female played. Now I played. La'ibtu. 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 I, as you can easily recognize, I is common between masculine and feminine. I is common between masculine and feminine. You say la'ibtu. La'ibtu. Now try to use these forms with the verb qadima. 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 Qaf, dal, mim. Qaf, dal, mim. Qadima means he came. He came. Qadima, he came. Qadima, he came. And if we want to use for female, we say qadimat. Qadimat, she came. Qadimat. Now qadimta. Qadimta. Here you is used for masculine and singular. Qadimta, you male came. You male came. Qadimta. Qadimta. If this is for female, we say qadimti. Qadimti. Qadimti means you female came. Qadimti, you female came. And qadimtu. Qadimtu, I came. I is common between male and female. We say I came. Qadimtu. Qadimtu. Now we going to repeat all these words so that you can easily memorize them. The first word was jalasa. The first word was jalasa, means he sat. Jalasa, he sat. If there is female, we say jalasat. Jalasat, she sat. Jalasat, she sat. Jalasat. And if you want to use this verb with second person, you say jalasta. Jalasta. Jalasta, you male sat. Jalasta. Jalasta, you female sat. Jalasti. Jalasti, you female sat. Jalasti. Jalasti, I sat. Jalastu. Jalastu, I sat. Jalastu. Jalastu. Now with zahaba, he went. Zahaba means he went. Zahabat, she went. Zahabat, she went. Zahaba is for male and zahabat is for female. Now you went. You male went. For you male went, we say zahabta. Zahabta. And for female we say ज़हबती, ज़हबती। ज़हबतु, I went, ज़हबतु, I went, I went, ज़हबतु। सकत, सकत, we used here verb सकत, means he fell down. सकत, for female we say सकतत, for female we say सकतत। सकत, you male fell down, सकत, सकत, you female fell down, सकत्ती, सकत्ती, you female fell down, सकत्ती। I fell down, सकत्तु, I fell down, सकत्तु, सकत्तु। And as you know that in all verb either it is past or present, I is common between masculine and feminine. So we say sakattu, I fell down. Now use the verb raja'a, raja'a, raja'a means he returned, raja'a means he returned, raja'at, raja'at means she returned, she returned, raja'at, raja'at means she returned. Now raja'ata, raja'ata, you returned, you male, you male returned. If there is female we say raja'ati, raja'ati, you female returned, raja'ati. And raja'atu, raja'atu, I returned, raja'atu, I returned. Now the verb la'iba, la'iba means he played, la'iba, he played. For female we say la'ibat, la'ibat, she played. For female we say la'ibat, she played. La'ibta, la'ibta, you male played, la'ibta, you male played. La'ibti, la'ibti, you female played, la'ibti, you female played. La'ibtu, la'ibtu, I played, I common between male and female. La'ibtu, I played. Now use the verb qadima. Qadima means he came, qadima, he came. Qadimat, she came, qadimat, she came, qadimat, she came. Qadimta, qadimta, you came, you for male, you for male and singular. Qadimta, you came, qadimti, you female came, you female came, qadimti, qadimti, you female came. Qadimtu, I came, qadimtu, I came. I common between masculine and feminine. I is common between masculine and feminine. Qadimtu, qadimtu. In this lesson you learn the verb jalasa means he sat, zahaba means he went, Qadima means he came. La'iba means he played. These verbs are past tense and used in Arabic like this for male and for female. Raja'at, qadimat, jalasat, la'ibat. And for you, zahabta, jalasta, qadimta, raja'ata. And for female, raja'ati, qadimti, jalasti. And for I, we use qadimtu, jalastu, la'ibtu, zahabtu for I. Thank you, student. I think you have learned the simple past in this lesson. Now we try to use these verbs with plural, and you are going to learn plural past tense. Thank you.